Hey folks, so I'm back from Saskatchewan. Got back on Sunday and it's Friday now. I haven't unpacked a whole heck of a lot. I ended up purchasing some lights. Purchased 6 of these schoolhouse lights, and I've spent some of my time cleaning them up and getting them hung up. As I also got a gas lamp here. There's a couple more of the lights, but also got this gas lamp as well. So, and the price was right. They wanted $200 for the 6 opaline glass shades and fixtures, and I offered $50 on this one. I think it's worth maybe $100 a quarter, $150 after a long haul. I can't see it selling real fast. It's something I could probably sell on eBay, but shipping would be a heck of a issue, and I no longer sell on eBay. Haven't for quite a while. So anyway, yeah. So I got that stuff. Kind of been working with that, and I've been writing my book and doing some other cleanup and work around the shop. So I haven't really been unpacking it all, but I'm going to have to get to it soon, and I'll be packing simultaneously for Regina. So I'll be unpacking, and then anything I think is going to maybe sell in Regina, I'll repack immediately in crates for that show. So that's the plan. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll film that as the process goes on. But that's how I'm going to do it. So you'll kind of see behind the scenes as to what's going on. I'll probably end up unpacking all of these back on the shelf, and then repacking them shortly before the show again as well. There'll be some stuff I won't be taking to Regina out of this batch, so I've got to kind of go through it again anyway. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll be showing you some more. So, gotten started. Got 2 crates almost full. Just kind of repacked. Reviewed the video from last year for Regina to see what it was on my tables before. Nice and handy to be able to do that. And yeah, so I'm going to be eliminating a lot of that stuff. I'm not taking it again. It's not really any point. Although it is always possible that you'll sell something that you'd already taken, but I'd rather take a bunch of fresh stock. So anyway, yeah, so I've got 2 to go, and 10 more to unpack. So yeah, I got all that. And yeah, it's been a slow day in the store, so kind of doing a little bit of running back and forth to these, so, and watching some YouTube and the like. Anyway, we can get to it now. So, getting closer to packed for Regina. I unpacked a bunch of these crates. Might as well have left them packed, really. Didn't sell much out of the bins, so those will get repacked soon. I'll be doing another 4 or 5 crates like that. And I've got a lot of these other ones ready to go. I've got a few holes to fill, but most of them are already full. And basically there's just one crate to fill and holes to fill, like I said, and the other stuff. A couple signs to pack. Maybe a couple bulky things that I'll throw in kind of last minute. And then the showcases, of course, I've got over here. And I've actually rehashed them a little bit. Probably tough to tell unless you've seen them before. But I have switched out and rearranged a little bit. This one is a mess at the moment. It hasn't really had anything done to it since I got back. I still got a bunch of stuff sitting in there. Yeah, and I've got another showcase that I've got a consignment of Sherman jewelry that I've got to get priced. So I've fixed up a showcase for it, and I'll be putting some of it out at the show as well. Anyway, so yeah, I'll hopefully remember to film once I have everything ready to go, and then we'll be off to the show. Alright, we're getting pretty close to done. I'm going to be taking this rack of clothes. Going to give vintage clothing a shot. Vintage jackets, mostly leathers. Some new old stock 1970s Fight Club type or car coats there. Some other, few other leathers there. A couple of them are women's, I think. The rest of them are men's. Some car club jackets with patches on them. And yeah, and then next we've got got another showcase that'll be going with some books and such in the bottom. Whoop, sorry, I've not got the camera in the right spot. Books in the bottom case there, and crates pretty much all packed. I've got a little bit of room in a couple of them for last minute things. And then we've got some more crates of hardware and such. I've got probably 3 extras this time compared to what I took to Saskatchewan. So hopefully I can cover the whole table that way, or all 6 tables, rather, not one table. All 6 tables with inventory. And then the showcases, of course, which I mentioned before, these ones here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And yeah, so that's what I'll be bringing. Basically got a couple more. I've got a couple signs as well in there. A couple signs there. Not going to bring the Royal Bank sign this time. And and I'm going to take some stools this time. All these 5 stools and the little chair. So I'll be taking them as well. If I've got room, I'll take the oil jug there from McCall Frontenac. So yeah, that's what I'm bringing. So I don't know if I'll get another clip in here yet, but if not, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, scrapping, etc. And this video will have a part 2 of the show that we'll be attending. So I'll have some footage from there. So watch for it coming out after this.